Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on changing the battery of your Conga Ethernal Max. First, let's go over the tools you will need for this task. Ensure you have a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and a clean, soft cloth for dusting. It's essential to work in a well-lit area to see every detail clearly. Start by powering off your device. This is crucial for your safety and to protect the internal components. Once it's off, locate the screws on the back panel of your Conga Ethernal Max. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container so they don't get lost. After removing the screws, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the back panel. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any hooks or clips. Once the back panel is off, you will see the battery compartment. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the device using the soft cloth. A clean workspace is essential for the longevity of your device. Now, disconnect the old battery. You'll notice a connector that secures the battery to the motherboard. Gently pull this connector out, ensuring not to pull on the wires themselves. If you're unsure about this process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you if you're not confident in handling it yourself. Next, take your new battery and align it within the compartment. Connect the battery to the motherboard by gently pushing the connector back into place. Make sure it's secure, as a loose connection can cause malfunction later. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier than ever to get your device serviced without any hassle. Once the new battery is connected, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips snap into place. Replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, securing everything tightly. Before you finish, it's important to test the new battery. Power on your Conga Ethernal Max and check if it's functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our quote before repair service. This way, you can understand any potential costs before committing to further repairs. Finally, give your device a brief wipe down to ensure it's clean and ready for use. Remember, maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your device. Thank you for following this tutorial on changing your Conga Ethernal Max battery, and we hope you found it helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.